Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the AXO. You've always wanted a thin and light laptop, but now that you have it, is that enough? Now sometimes when you want to make a laptop paper thin and feather light, you'd need to compromise on the internals. Now that means watering down the hardware. Now what if I told you you didn't need to do that? Now that's where the Intel Evo platform comes in. And a great laptop to showcase the Intel Evo platform is none other than the Acer Swift 5. Stick around as we dive deeper into the Intel Evo platform and learn more about the Acer Swift 5. Let's go! Now formerly called Project Athena, the Intel Evo platform is crucial in providing the best experience and performance in a thin and light laptop. It is a set of guidelines created by Intel where each laptop has to meet certain standard requirements. Number 1. The laptop has to have 9 hours of battery life on Full HD 1080p resolution with 250 nits brightness. Number 2. It has to wake from sleep in under 1 second. Number 3. It should provide at least 4 hours of continuous use coupled with a fast charge that is under 30 minutes. That also means a half an hour charge should give at least 4 hours of extra use. And number 4. Last but not least, the laptop has to have Intel Wi-Fi 6 certification and Thunderbolt 4 connectivity. Of course, the Intel Evo requirements go further into physical designs as well. Now, Intel Evo certified laptops require the use of higher-end Core i5 or Core i7 Tiger Lake processor, which integrates the company's new Iris Xe integrated graphics platform. These laptops should also have a 12 to 15-inch Full HD touch display with narrow bezels and less than 15mm fanned or fanless designs. So, the next time you see a laptop that has the Intel Evo sticker or branding, you'll immediately know you're getting faster responsiveness, faster charging times, faster screen wake, and faster connectivity. Now take the Acer Swift 5 for example. It's a laptop that weighs about 1 kilogram and it measures 14.95mm thin. Powered by the latest 11th gen Intel Core processor, it's also coupled with the Intel Iris Xe integrated GPU. Now display wise, it has a 14-inch Full HD touch panel with a 90% screen to body ratio and Corning Gorilla Glass for added protection. It even covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut, and just like that, it's already fulfilled the hardware requirements for the Intel Evo platform. Now you must be thinking, what about software? What about performance requirements? Well, the Acer Swift 5 is capable of up to 15 hours of battery life on Full HD, supports the instant wake feature, and its 56 Wh battery can also support 4 hours of extra use with just a 30-minute charge. And not to mention, the laptop is also fully furnished with Intel Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and Thunderbolt 4. Now this allows for both faster network and faster transfer speeds. Now that sure does tick all the boxes, doesn't it? So everything else on the Acer Swift 5 is a bonus in this thin and light laptop. You've got up to 16 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM for faster response times. And for storage, you have the 512 gigs PCIe NVMe SSD. Windows Hello! There's even an embedded fingerprint sensor that works with Windows Hello to quickly log you in without ever needing to remember your password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm looking at you. Now what's more special with the Acer Swift 5 is that you can even activate and ask Windows 10 even when the screen is off. Just ask Cortana anything in the modern standby mode. Now to top it all off, Acer even fully wrapped the device, not just the chassis, but the display itself with fully featured antimicrobial solutions. Now, what does this mean? Well, in COVID times, seeing how you're often touching and holding your laptop, you don't want to get any of those germs or viruses latching onto it now, don't you? Now let us take a quick look at the Acer Swift 5's specs. Now that is all from me for the Intel Evo platform on the Acer Swift 5. I hope you've learned a little more about the Intel Evo platform and the standards that go along with it to make it a proper thin and light laptop. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already. My name is Terry. Thank you guys for watching and we'll catch you all the next time.